We are on to day number 3 in the week of giveaways, and I have another giveaway prize package for you. I'm out in my garage right now because I wanted to show you my finished jars of pickles that I was working on yesterday, but I'll show you that here in a minute. Here is what I am giving away today. Of course, a copy of my cookbook, as well as a set of the stackable stainless steel pans. And this is the brand I have, and it's not available on Amazon right now. So the brand that I'm giving away is slightly different, and I will put a picture of it here. But the one that I'm going to be giving away actually has 2 lids, and one of them has holes in the lid so that you can use it as a steamer pan. So it has 2 pots and 2 lids that come with it. This one just had the one. And then the 2 pans stack on top of each other, and you can use them like this, stacked into the mini Instant Pot, and it's great for like reheating stuff if you want to reheat a couple of things at the same time. But the way that I like to use these pans and the way that I use them in the cookbook is just to use one at a time and use it like to cook rice above a dish down at the bottom. I have several recipes in here where you can cook like a curry at the bottom, and then if you have a tall trivet, you can cook the rice in the pan up above it, and you can get everything done in a 1-pot meal. So it makes it super convenient. But then I love these because they stack up so nicely together for storage, and you do have the option of using them together if you want to. So just like the last 2 giveaways, there are 2 ways you can get entries in. The first one is here on YouTube. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, then like this video, and go ahead and go down into the comments and let me know this time what at-home activity you've started to enjoy now that we're all staying home more often. We can't go out to movies and concerts and things, so a lot of people are doing a lot more stuff at home. I hope you guys are doing a lot more cooking at home. That would be fantastic. And maybe cooking is your new favorite activity to do at home, but I'd love to hear ideas of things that you have been enjoying in all the home time that we've been having recently. And then you can head over to Instagram to get another entry in, find my post for day number 3 of the giveaways, like that post, and then comment there and tag another friend that would be interested in winning these items. Someone who might love the Instant Pot already, or someone who think really should get into using an Instant Pot. Just tag away and let's spread the Instant Pot love. I got this fermentation set on Amazon Prime Day last year, and I hadn't used it yet. So this is my first time, and it's super easy. I love these weights, so nice. I used to have to find something to fit in there to hold the pickles down. And then it's got these little tops that let some air come out so it doesn't explode. So we'll see how it goes. All right, here are my pickles. I ended up getting 5 half-gallon jars and then a few other odd sizes. Got some spears done and just some regular big ones. We have grapes in the backyard, so I was able to use our own grape leaves. That helps keep the pickles crunchy. And so they're going to be sitting here in it's a little bit cool in the garage. You want it to be like 60 to 70 degrees if possible. They're going to sit here for probably 2 to 3 weeks. After 2 weeks, I'll probably taste them and see if they're to our liking, and then they move to the fridge once they're fermented to our liking. And I did want to mention that these weights, they call them pickle pebbles, which is kind of cute, that I bought in the set with these, they work great. Those are perfect. I'd like to find another set of, maybe 4 more of each of these things because they were nice. When I just use my regular lids, I have to find, I have a little stainless steel little cup in there that's pressing things down, but then I don't have the release here. So there is a danger that these ones without the release could explode. I've never had that happen, but it is theoretically possible. So I just want to mention that. I'll link that down below if I can find it on Amazon again. I got it on Amazon, but it was a year ago. So anyways, that's our pickles. Go ahead and comment and enter the giveaway, and I will see you again tomorrow.